Oh, shoot.
I didn't know.
We know, we kept it a surprise.
That's a big surprise, I think.
We know stuff.
Because
Aw.
Oh,
If you do that again, we'd take a picture.
I got the video.
Oh,
wait.
oh cute girl.
Wink at the camera. Wink at the camera. Ready?
Over here.
Over here.
Jack.
Look
Oh,
at
yes,
Jack.
I like this.
Lou.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Nice.
What do I get for that?
What do you get for that? What do you want?
Stephanie, what's she giving?
This box.
We'll have to negotiate a local exchange rate.
Yeah.
All right, you gotta make a wish and blow them out.
What's that?
You gotta blow out your candles, make a wish,
See your
Oh,
candles?
I can
and then blow them out.
blow it out.
Yeah,
Blow it out.
I hope I got enough wind.
yep.
I think we need to sing happy birthday now.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lou. Happy birthday to you.
Cha, cha, cha.
We have something for you, a gift
What?
from everybody at NetFX. Here you go, this is for you. You got a card and a gift.
What is it?
It's warm in
It's
here.
another Chihuahua
Open it.
knocker.
Right.
It's a chihuahua.
So here's your card.
Usually I'm taking pictures of someone other than myself.
Oh, how about that?
Open the side too.
Oh,
Got money?
cashola.
How much?
What are you gonna spend it on? Let's see, you got $20, $40, $50.
How much?
This is your money.
How much?
50.
$50. I make a party.
Yeah.